Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take your cloud code to the next level. Today's tip is avoid calling third-party services from your cloud code. We have many clients who try to use async methods to call other services in other websites and retrieve data. And the problem with that strategy is that until the data is actually fetched from those websites, your process keeps hanged inside Back4App services, which might translate as the impression of your application being freeze when it's actually waiting for the other website to respond. Now, we do understand that many use cases need to retrieve data from other websites, and if this is your case, a better strategy is to cache out those data prior to consuming them from your app instead of calling the websites in runtime. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you are subscribed, thank you for that, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.